You want me to hold you?
Hi guys, I'm Jessie Gupwood and welcome back to my channel. Today we have Chelsea, Sierra, and Cheyenne. So today I have ordered a bunch of random cheap slimes off of Amazon. A lot. I'm the only one thinking ever. We got 9 different slimes and we're going to test out every single one of them to see if they're good or not, and then I will post somewhere on the screen of what the slime is and how much it costs if you guys would want to buy some. So we're just going to start with this one, little baby one. Look how pretty.
Let me see.
You see?
What's that strawberry?
Yeah. This
Yeah.
is
What's that
cloud slime.
pineapple in there?
Cloud slime, that's cool.
And
Cloud slime.
pineapple in there.
Let me get it out.
Giant.
Oh, look how nicely, guys.
Let me see.
Ew, it's too wet.
No?
Is it really wet?
It's literally wet. It's like sticky.
Let me see.
You've already seen it.
Not yet, baby. I'm gonna pass this on to one of y'all. Here you go.
Oh. Ew.
Yum. Next, we have this one right here. I think it's supposed to be like a clay cloud slime or whatever. I don't know. I can't remember. So I'm just gonna get this one out. And it's different colors.
My gosh.
Hold on, I'm trying. Okay, on this one, it's done being a little bit mixed together, but it was colorful.
Wow.
And it does feel like clay slime, and it's like super, super stretchy. This has to be like my favorite one.
I know. It's so cool. Well, now.
You can play with it, Cheyenne?
You believe it?
Yeah.
She loves it.
Y'all might be able to feel it later, but the baby loves it. That's a plus. Right?
Yeah.
And this one, we have a pretty blue one with like a lollipop and a bunch of different other stuff in there. And we're going to get this out and see. I broke the lollipop.
The bee fell out.
Guys, I broke the lollipop.
Yeah.
I think this one's clay slime too, ain't it? Yeah. Here we got another clay slime. It's not... If you go really, really fast, it breaks. So you gotta go like really, really slow. But it is a pretty blue color. Like a bluish purple. Does it not?
Doesn't look like it.
I like the feeling of it though. It's very soft. Okay, next we have, it's like a blue and purple slime. I think this one's like regular slime.
Giant.
Work the little divider out.
Oh.
It's like... That was my toe. Sorry, dude. It's literally like clear slime. Here. Like clear slime. It's blue and purple. It's so clear. It's so pretty. It's a little tough to pull though, but at least it has like a pretty, and it has like a bunch of,
Oh, what? I thought you were going in.
I did too. And it has like a
Bunch of little animals. It has pandas and I guess
it has a bunch of different
What?
Just told me to stop throwing it.
she's not throwing them, they're falling out.
I threw it. Just like that one.
Yeah. I think that one's a little bit easier to pull than that one is.
This one's pretty.
I
That one's got animals in it, so I love that one.
Yeah, you are right. This one's like a little bit harder to pull. But you can see, oh God, you can see through it.
I want to see. Yep. Oh gosh, okay. I used to have one of these and it wasn't as soft as this. So many animals. That's so cute. And I think there's so cute.
There's a one though. There's a duck.
There's a dog.
Picture cloud slime. It's yellow and it has like a little pineapple in the middle. So we're going to get this one out. Ew. It is pretty though. But I kind of want to know if they use like fake snow or they use the stuff out of diapers. Is what I'm wondering.
Diapers.
It is pretty though. It stinks. Don't smell it.
I'm not gonna smell it. Wasn't planning on it.
That one kind of looks like that one. This one we have another pretty blue one. I don't know the names of them, but I'm still going to add everything in there. But it has a bunch of little doodads. Ooh, you got like a little candy charm. A little candy charm. Candy charm. Okay, I'm gonna pass this on to you. It's just a really cool one. It's alright. Next, we have a watermelon. We even got like a little watermelon charm. It's like a little slice of watermelon and some black seeds. And it looks like watermelon. Oh, shoot. And it looks like watermelon. And it's cloud slime. I don't know why I ordered a bunch of cloud slime.
Oh, there's a donut.
It smells weird.
What are you smelling them?
Hey, you have to
That's what I want to know. Why in the world are you smelling them?
I don't know. This is not very good cloud slime. It's too wet.
This is a big. What is the thing that? Stop it.
This is too wet. That's curd right there.
That's yeah. Oh, this feels weird.
And our very last one is Oreo cloud slime. It has a little charm of an Oreo in here. Let me get it out.
No, so cute. No Cheyenne.
A little Oreo charm. And the yeah, watermelon.
What happened?
It's white and it has like little black specks in it. And it's so pretty to pull. This one has to be my favorite out of all of them. I see Chelsea looking at me.
No, I'm just trying to open that one. You can get it.
I'm not picking that up because it's nasty.
What?
I dropped some.
There you go.
I don't know what's wrong with me today. Who's taking them all back out?
I'll make
You!
Just put that one in. Alright,
So I guess that is it for this video. If you want a video where we mix all of these together to find out what happens when you mix clay slime, cloud slime, clear slime and everything together. Let me know by liking this video and commenting in the comment section down below. So I guess that is it. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.